Welcome back to Mac's Garage. Today I'm going to continue reassembling the chassis of this 350X Honda three-wheeler. This was the old frame. I haven't really shown you this yet, so I figured I'd put it in this video. This frame is broken right here. So it's probably not going to show up real good on camera, but this tube is snapped. Now this is an upper engine mount, and this down here is a lower engine mount. So while I was riding this, the plastic comes down to about here, so you can't really see this area unless you take the fenders off. Now I was riding this pretty aggressively. I was jumping it. Jumping never hurts anything. It's the landing, so the landing probably broke this frame. Then the engine, being mounted between these 2 points, became a structural member, so it cracked the case in between there as well. So it cracked the engine, it cracked the frame. My first indication there was any real problems was the fact that it started to leak oil, and that was from the cracked case. So this frame is, in my opinion, garbage, because it's not only is it just broke, it's actually sprung. The tubes don't line up anymore. So that means that when I broke it, it broke other stuff. And as I look back, it's got cracks here. It's kind of, this frame is just wore out. And that is what it is. It's a 35-year-old machine at this point. So this is an 85. We're at 2021 right now. So yeah, this thing is 36. Depending on when they bought it, maybe 37 years old. So, you know, it is, granted it broke in 2011. It's still old at that point. So, just like I did in the other video, I'm going to go ahead and do a time-lapse type of thing. I'm going to put my front tire back on, and then I'll reassemble the wiring and all that stuff that I should right now. And I think I already said this, but if not, hit the like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Kind of helps me out. As of making this, I'm over 900 subscribers, on my way to 1,000. Some cool things happen with YouTube when you hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this and you are a subscriber, thank you for subscribing and helping me out. And if not, and you like what you're seeing, hit the subscribe button. Anyway, enough talking. I'm gonna go time lapse on this. Alright, so I guess that's about it for right now. I don't want to put the tank and fenders back on. I've got some rubber pieces that I ordered so I don't screw this frame up. And yeah, thanks for watching. It's probably going to be a little while before I work on this again, but it will be back, and hopefully you will be too. So I'll see you later.